Hello children. This case study type of question is based on application of integrals. The area of a region bounded by the curve x is equal to g of y-axis, and the line y is equal to c, y is equal to d is given by a is equal to integration of c to d x dy, which is equal to integration of c to d g of y dy. Consider the curve y is equal to x squared and the line y is equal to 4. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. The point of intersection of the curve y is equal to x squared and the line y is equal to 4 is a 2, 4, minus 2, 4, b 4, 2, 4, minus 2, c 0, 4, minus 2, 4, and d is 2, 4 and 0, 4. Now let us find out the point of intersection. Now we are given that y is equal to x squared and y is equal to 4. So in the place of y, let me put 4. 4 is equal to x squared, or this implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. So obviously the points are now going to be 2, 4 and minus 2, 4. So we can see that option A is the correct answer. The figure which represents the above equation is, so y is equal to x squared. So clearly we know that it is now going to be a parabola which is open upwards, and y is equal to 4 is the line which is now going to be parallel to the x-axis, or parallel to the x-axis. Yes. So option A is not correct because it is open sidewards. Option B, even though the parabola is open upwards, but the equation of the line is not correct because it is parallel to y-axis, so that is not the correct answer. Option C is correct. We can see that x squared is equal to y open upwards and the line y is equal to 4. That is also correct. And D is also correct. The line is parallel to the x-axis and the parabola is also open upwards. But we can see that it is, the region is now going to be the whole region below the line y is equal to 4. Bounded between the parabola and the line. So obviously option C should be correct because D represents only one part of the curve, whereas this one part of the area, whereas C is the correct option which represents both the regions. So C is the correct option. The required area of the region in the above question is, now let us find out the region, or the required area of the region. So A is now going to be equal to, obviously we are going to take the equation as x dy, so we are going to be bothered only about the, so let me sketch the graph like this. It is now going to be like this, and the curve, this is going to be the line y is equal to 4 and this is going to be the line x squared is equal to y. So it is 0 to this point is 4. So it is enough to take one part of the region and multiply it by 2 so that we get the other part also. So we need not bother to find out both, we need not take the, because we are going to take only the y coordinates. We can take it as 0 to 4 2 times, because it is symmetrical about y-axis. We can take it as 2 times 0 to 4 x dy, which is, but x is nothing but root of y, is it not? So that is equal to integration of 0 to 4 to root of y dy. So let's see which option is correct. So 0 to 4 root of y dy. Obviously A and B are not correct because 2 times is not there, but C represents 0 to 2. The limits are not correct, but D is the correct option because it says 2 times integration of 0 to 4 root of y dy is the correct option. The required area bounded by the curves is the area of the region bounded by the parabola y-axis and the lines y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. B, 2 times the region bounded by the parabola y-axis and the lines y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. C, area of the region bounded by the parabola x-axis and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. D, 2 times area of the region bounded by the parabola x-axis and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. So, from the figure, it is clear that it is now going to be the region bounded between the lines y is equal to 4 and the parabola. So, it is symmetrical about the y-axis. So, we can take it as calculate it as 2 times the area of the region bounded by the parabola y-axis and the lines y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So, obviously, you can see that the option B is the correct answer. Now, area of the common region is A 16 by 3, B 24 by 3, C 32 by 3 and D is 35 by 3. Let's see which option is correct. So, having known the value of A, that is, having calculated the equation now, we can now apply the limits and quickly integrate it. I can write y as y to the power of half dy, which is nothing but, after integration, I'll get it as y to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between the limits 0 to 4, which is nothing but 2 times 2 by 3 into, in the place of y, I can put it as 4 raised to the power of 3 by 2. 4 can be written as 2 squared, which is nothing but 4 by 3 times 2 squared to the power of 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 2 cubed is nothing but 8. So 4 by 3 times 8, which is equal to 32 by 3 square units. So option C is the correct answer.